अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, जो आज हम चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले हैं वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस फॉर्म एंड रिपोर्ट्स है। दोस्तों, आपको पता है कि हम पिछली वीडियोस में भी आपको बहुत कुछ पढ़ा चुके हैं और आज की वीडियो में भी हम आपको बहुत अच्छे टॉपिक्स के बारे में बताएंगे। तो आपने इसको गौर से पढ़ना है, क्योंकि गौर से आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको सब कुछ समझ आ जाएगा। तो आज हम पहले इसका और रिव्यू लेते हैं ताकि आपको कुछ समझ आ सके। तो हम पढ़ते हैं इसका। एक्सेस फॉर्म क्रिएट्स द यूज़र इंटरफेस टू योर टेबल. Although you can read datasheet or to perform many of the same function as form are used as the alternative way to enter data into a database table. It it provide a different way of viewing table data. Access enable us to create form that can be used to enter, maintain, view and print data. This form is constructed from collection of individual design elements called control objects. Control are the components we see in the Windows dialog boxes of the Access and other window application like button, checkbox. We use text box to enter the added data, label to hold file name and object frame of the display graphics. A form wizard is provided to assist you in the construction of form. 4 types of form can be created. These include single column, display on one record in the time of a virtual format, tabular displaying multiple record in a row and column format, main subform combining the single form and the tabular form into one form, the graph. अब हम जो पढ़ते हैं create form by using wizard. To create a form using the assistant of a wizard and follow these steps. Click the create form the using wizard option on the database window. Form a table queries drop down menu. Select the table and query a datasheet. The form will modify. Then select the field that will include on the form by highlighting each one of the available field window and clicking the single right greater symbol button. To move one field at a time to select field window. To move all the field to select file, click the double greater symbol. If you make a mistake and would like to remove a field or all the fields from the select field window, click the left arrow or the left double arrow button after the proper fields have been selected. Click the next button to move the next screen. In the second step, we have the screen to select the layout of a form. Columnar form. A single record is displayed at the one time with label and the form field listed side by side on column. In a columnar form, each field appear in this separate line with a label to its left. Only one record is shown on screen. The wizard file the first column with as many fields as will fit and so forth. Justify form. A single record is displayed with label and from field are listed across the screen. Tabular form. Multiple records are listed on the page at the time with field is column and record in rows. Tabular form displayed field in horizontal row with field label at the top of the form. Each new row represent a new record. Tabular form or best when you want to display just a few relevant in narrow fields and you want to see serial record at once. To avoid spending most of your time scrolling back and forth in a tabular form and just a few fields to be formed. Datasheet. A datasheet form initially display data is datasheet view. Much it appear when you open a table, a run inquiry and one you use for the form view toolbar button to switch to datasheet view. In any form, this type of form is often used as the basics of subform. Click the next button to move on the next step. Select a visual style for the form, the next set of options and click next. On the final screen, enter the title you want to display on your form in the text box and then the name of the form in the space provided. Select open the form to view or enter information to open the form in the form view or modify the form design to open in design view. Click finishing the creating the form. To create a form scratch without a wizard, follow these steps. Click a new button on the form database window, select design